In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple words in Microsoft Word that are not next to each other. This is a helpful feature when you want to format, copy, or delete words scattered throughout your document without affecting the surrounding text. To begin, open your Word document and locate the first word or section of text you want to select. Click and drag your mouse over this word or section to highlight it. This is your first selection. Next, to select additional words that are not next to the first one, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While keeping the Control key pressed, use your mouse to click and drag over each separate word or section you want to include. Each new selection will be added to your original highlight, allowing you to select multiple, non-contiguous words at the same time. Be careful to keep the Control key held down while making additional selections. If you release it, the previous selections will be deselected, and you'll have to start over. This method works for words, phrases, or even larger blocks of text, making it very versatile for formatting tasks. Once you have all the desired words selected, you can apply formatting changes such as bold, italic, font size, or color. You can also copy, cut, or delete the selected text as needed. Any action you perform will affect all the highlighted words simultaneously, which saves time compared to formatting them one by one. This technique is particularly useful for editing documents with repeated terms, updating multiple headings, or applying consistent formatting to scattered phrases throughout a report or article. And that's it. You now know how to select multiple words in Microsoft Word that are not next to each other. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try it out yourself. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.